dragon fruit. Here we go. You see it's got small seeds on the inside. Let me just get a quick picture of that for the other video. Let's take it around like this as well. The last one I got, the spikes here were sticking up, a bit more prickly, so I'm guessing this one is a lot more ripe than the other one I got a few weeks back from the same store, tropical fruit store. Right, let's have a taste of this one. See, it just comes away easily. It's got a jelly substance with small seeds in there. As you bite into it, you'll find more seeds on the inside. It tastes pretty crunchy. Jello substance again. It's perfect for your everyday snack. It's low in calories. Got a lot of water content. And again, like the other fruits, it's got antioxidant properties due to the vitamin C content. It's natural contents protect against the cells from damage from free radicals. It's a great little fruit you can have every day. The red fleshed one, you can get one where you see where it's white here. It's deep red, like a strawberry, and that one there has greater antioxidant properties in it. It's nice. This is, I could eat this in one sitting. Like I said, what I'm going to do is, this is part of my fruit salad, so I ain't going to have too much more. It's nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save half, put half aside. I'm going to get my bowl of papaya. I'm going to scoop this out. I'm going to incorporate it in my fruit salad. No, in fact, I might put all the dragon fruit in it actually, because the other folk in the household didn't really like it. It's a bit of an acquired taste, really. And Daddy likes exotic things. I do try and persuade them to eat a lot more healthier, but you know, there it goes. Some like the fast route to food, despite the poisons that may come with it. But I'm getting on now. I really do need to look after my health. So this is what I'm doing. Right, so that's the second ingredient. The fruit salad. I'll put this aside. And this is what it looks like after it's all been scooped out. Right, so I'll put this over here. Cover that there. I'll have the remainder. A few scoops. Seeds are really small, aren't they? Let's get a quick picture of that. Little seeds. A few of the seeds at the bottom, but the majority are now in the lunch bowl.